Welcome back to the Beaded Jewel, everybody. I'm Rochelle, and today's video is going to be on the Didis Deluxe Bead Box November 2024 edition, and their theme is, you know, holiday elegance, and we're going to go through it. You get a lot of stuff in here, so let's take a look. I kind of peeked a little bit, and it just looks gorgeous. So let's start here. The first piece we're going to start with, they always include, I'm kind of new to Didis box. This is only my second box, but I love it. It's gorgeous. And this is the first piece. They always include, from what I understand, a Inspired by Czech designer strand, which is this right here. And it is gorgeous, as you can see. I just love this piece. Very vintage looking, and I love the little spacers they have in here. These pretty little spacer beads in here, and even these ones down here, and some of that blue in there to give it a frosty winter look. So these are gorgeous. So that's our first piece, and here we go. So we get a 15-inch 6mm apatite, which I love. This is apatite blue tiger eye right here. Look at this. Just gorgeous. And it looks just like this in person. I just love all the different colors, all the different shades of blue in here. Just so pretty. You get a generous long strand. I can't really get it all in here, but you can see it. Just gorgeous. 60 pieces it says. So we got that. Our next piece is going to be the 6.5 inches Siam red square bronze edge crystal. And here that is right here. You get like 14 pieces. This screams vintage Christmas red all over it. Look at that. Just gorgeous. It's a gorgeous piece right there. And look at those colors just coming together right there. And our next piece is 8-inch 6mm Mystique Antique White Draw Bench glass beads. It's approximately 32 pieces. And I've never seen these before. And these are just, you know, stunning. Look at that. You see the pops of color. I see, you know, on the cream, it almost looks like a pearl kind of color. I see some pink, blue, green on there. Kind of like an AB coating. These are gorgeous. And our next one here is going to be a 6.5-inch 8x4mm Mystique Peacock Blue faceted crystal disc. And of course these are always gorgeous. I love these. Look at that. All the facets in there, just gorgeous. I just love these. This is going to give off so much sparkle. Look at this. And you get about 25 pieces here. So there we go with that. And the next one is a 10-inch 6mm Mystique red crystal bicone, approximately 50 pieces. And this is a deep rich red, which is perfect for making, you know, Christmas jewelry. And there we go with that. And our next one is 14-inch 8x6mm holiday mixed faceted crystal rondelles. And this just looks like, these are gorgeous. I love these shades of blue. And this says a wintry frosted Christmas to me, doesn't it? Just so gorgeous. So pretty. And again, another nice long strand. And see what we have next. Right here we have some frosted round beads here. 10-inch 6mm muted red frosted glass beads, approximately 45 beads. Another long strand. Look at that. Looks like little red berries. Just love all these colors. And a 15-inch 4mm faceted champagne crystals. And you get about 90 pieces of these. It's pretty 4mm. Just gorgeous. There we go with that. See what we got here. 6 pieces, 10mm peacock gold etched chevron crystals. And these are also gorgeous. Look at that. Just love that. Different colors popping off of there. Love that. Let's see, we have a few left here. These are hematite star spacers. And you get about 20 pieces. They're 6mm. Very pretty. There we go. And here is a 2-piece 20mm bronze hematite teardrops, synthetic. So let's see what we got here. These look really pretty. So we have those. And then we have 10 pieces of gold-plated brass ovals. I'll leave one in there. And these are also really pretty. We have some of those. And here we go. This is a, I won't take all these out, but these are pretty. Some gold-plated bead caps, about 50 pieces. They're 6mm, 14 karat gold plated filigree bead caps. So these are really pretty. And you get a bonus 2 pieces. Let me open these first. These are just gorgeous. Let me, hold on. Ready? Ta-da! Look at that. So these are 21 by 16, 14 karat gold plated, red crystal snowflake charms. How Christmassy is this? These are just gorgeous. Just super gorgeous. I mean, even the back is pretty. So that's it. That's everything, folks. Just love it. Gorgeous. I think that's it. So don't forget, you can, Didis box is not a subscription box. It is a get it while they got it box. if you're lucky enough to get it in time. And the basic reveal and new releases are around the 12th day of each month. And get it when you see it, because it's very limited, which is nice, because if you make jewelry with this, you know, it'll be kind of like a one-of-a-kind, because not everybody has all this. I think that's it. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe and give it a thumbs up. That would greatly help me. Turn this light out so you can see my card a little bit better. And okay, and there we go. I don't know if you can see that better or not. Turn that off. Lighting, huh? Nope, that's no good. Where did I go? There I am. Anyway, that's my card. I can't get a good angle of it. So if you want to see everything I make with my boxes that I get every month, you can go to my Shopify store, which is thebeadedjewel.com. You can go to my Etsy shop, which is thebeadedjewelstore.etsy.com, in green there. Don't know if you can really see that or not. And so on. Thebeadedjeweldesign.etsy, where you'll find all the extras from other boxes that I don't use, and then the Beaded Jewel on YouTube, and there's an email address. There you go. Thanks for watching again. I hope, you know, if you're waiting on your box, I hope you get it soon, because it is a stunner of a box. And I'll see you in the next video, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.